Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a special one for you today. We're actually out doing a bit of a rigged walk around with our good friend Brent. You guys have seen him on the channel before. He's rocking this incredible FJ and highly modified, but more importantly, he's got something new coming up. He's actually launching a new website, his photography and videography services. We're going to talk a little bit about that. We're going to go over his rig and just check out this beast of a machine. Oh, the fresh snow. That big doggy, yeah! Woo! So here's Brent.
Hey guys.
You're starting a new website. Tell us about that for starters, because that's really important.
Yeah, just like everybody. I've been doing a lot of photography, a lot of videography for a bunch of years now, and I got bugged by a few guys like Jeff and a few other friends. You know, why don't you share it? So
stop being so selfish, man. Just share it with the world.
I know. Anyway, I'm going to put it out there, and I know it's just what the world needs is another photography site, but hopefully there's something a little bit unique for everybody on there. And this is kind of the beast that I used to get around. It actually came with the front bumper that you see on this. So this is a Fab Fours pre-runner bar.
And you got a Warren winch in here too?
Warren winch, that's a 9000i.
I've never been on the other side of that winch.
No.
Never?
No, not even 3 or 4 times in one day.
No.
Yeah, so the bumper, integrated tow points, winch is built into it. Shockingly, you have a GoPro mount right there. I know, it's unbelievable. Just underneath.
You got some armor here?
So I've got some armor
wow.
on there. So that's a Ricochet front bash plate that just replaces the factory bash plate, which is kind of a piece of crap, to be quite honest. So it's got the old man Emu suspension front and back. It does have the factory control arms, but everything else is old man Emu, and it just makes it very, very capable off-road and very well mannered on road. You don't want to do slalom with it, but because you have this, you don't have to do slalom. Yeah. Other than that, on the front of the truck, so I've got the ditch lights that I installed. I actually had to do those myself.
And those are LEDs?
Those are LEDs, so those are 2900 lumen, something like that. So they're actually really good for, I've actually used them quite a bit. They're actually really useful, just for lighting up the ditches and even fog. I did the TRD reusable air filter in here, which adds 0.000007 horsepower or something like that. But you got nice. A sticker, didn't you? Yeah, I got a sticker.
Well, that's 5 horsepower.
And it's you know, it's just doing my part for the environment, you know. Washable filter. Oh yeah, and the Hella, I did put the Hella horns in here. That's just because I think the Toyota horns are pretty anemic. So 110 decibels will wake you the hell up if you cut this thing off. You know, it's your bumper if you do it. But anyways,
exactly.
That's kind of under the hood. No mods to the engine, and no plans to mod the engine.
Stock, reliable, Toyota, lackluster power.
Absolutely. Well, yeah, especially when you add steel bumpers to the thing.
Yeah. So let's take a look at your wheel and tire package. You're on winters right now because you actually live out kind of on the prairies. So
right about pretty close to here. Yeah.
So winter tires are kind of important for you.
Winter, and I went with studded, so I went with the General Arctics, so General Grabber Arctics. Yep. And those are studded. They've been fantastic, absolutely fantastic. When you do get in deep snow, as you guys know, these things will just dig instead of float. So that's kind of the downfall. But I do a lot more, you know, daily driving on gravel and concrete or pavement rather than actually gnarly trails with you guys. So these ones stay on for most of the winter, and I usually will throw the BF Goodrich, the KO2s on, you know, if we're going to do some floaty stuff in the snow or stuff like that.
So you have some big meets basically for the summertime usage, right?
Yeah, and the KO2 is just fantastic. I mean, you can't beat it.
No, they're my favorite tire. What about this? You got some armor here that says body armor. These are steps, or are they?
So these are actual sliders.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're effing heavy when you put them on yourself, especially. So these bolt right to the frame, and these are pretty much pretty close to solid right through. So these are about 100, just about 100 pounds each.
Oh.
So they're not screw around. You might notice that I don't actually have any damage to them. even going to Moab and everywhere else, thankfully haven't had to use them, but cheap insurance.
So what about the back of the rig? What have you done here? The FJs come with the rear tire on the door, but you've actually, is this a Fab 4 bumper as well?
This is a Fab 4 bumper as well, so it's the matching bumper for the pre-runner that's on the front. And again, this is steel, it's not aluminum. So, and I did find out that it will actually stop a vehicle.
What?
Absolutely dead. So this is actually the second bumper I've had of the same type. I got rear-ended a couple years ago, and absolutely destroyed the other car. The only thing that happened out of that accident, other than destroying another car, was literally on, so yeah, it literally just bent this and slightly bent the tire forward, and that was it. I drove away from that accident. The other people didn't. They were okay, but yeah, that's it. So other than that, on the back, we got built-in tow points, we got built-in receiver for the hitch. I did fab up a bracket, so I cook with propane, so I made a little bracket for my bottle there, and I also put some work lights, same type of work lights as I have on the front, just down below here, just up on the roof rack. That's just the factory roof rack, and then I put a basket on there as well, a Baja rack.
Oh, it's a Baja rack? Yeah, that's right. I've seen the front here. You're right in the sunlight, but oh yeah.
Don't fall in the ditch.
I'm not trying not
I want to winch you out.
You got some Max Tracks?
So I got Max Tracks up there, just two of those guys. Again, just made a little custom bracket for that and mounted it up to the basket.
Oh wow, this is way more organized. Holy mackerel! Seriously?
Yeah, I got.
How's your OCD doing?
It's up there. it's really, it's not our other friends' level, but it's pretty close. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I probably have it.
No naming names, but Dallas is kind of like that.
Undiagnosed. All right, so basically, I guess starting on the door is, so I just got myself some aluminum. This is the extent of my fabrication skill right here. So I got myself some aluminum, and I just tapped into the existing screws that hold the back trim on to the door, because it's kind of a useless space. Other than that, it just, one thing with the FJ is, like, you are kind of limited on space. You have to use it really efficiently. So yeah, I just made a hanging bar, and then I got myself some fanny packs from the 80s.
Is this a stove, or
That's an actual stove. Okay. Yeah, so I actually just got that. That's just a single burner, and yeah, for right now, temporarily, I'm just strapping it on there, trying it on right now, but it, again, you just got to use all the space you have efficiently.
Right.
And then that's strapped to actually a strap-down, fold-down table here.
Oh, I like that. Hey, I like the leather. That's...
Yeah, so
almost Singer-esque.
This is, yeah, it's custom, custom coach wood. Fold down table, this is actually a knockoff. This is about 90 bucks on Amazon. I forget the actual table manufacturer. So I
link in the description.
Yeah, it's so they're about 400 US for the brand name.
Oh.
I got this for 80 bucks CAD. So
wow.
Yeah, just kind of the bag theme carries over. So I've got recovery gear in the sides.
Platform's new though too, is it?
Yeah, so this is just, that is something I am semi-proud of. The welds don't look the greatest, but it holds together, and it actually just folds down and pulls out.
Hey Brent, thanks a million for this walk around. Like, it's fantastic. I just want to touch on a couple other things. So you said Moab a couple times. Yep. You've taken this unit down to Moab, rock crawling. So you went from snow to sand?
To slick rock and sand, yeah. I actually put some pictures up. When you see the launch video for the website, you'll see some pictures in there from Moab, and some of those pictures are from that trip. I should also mention that kind of the little group that I hang out with, you guys are gonna get the launch video, and you'll probably find some shots of your cars in there. But anyways, yeah, thanks a lot, Jeff.
No worries, thanks man, and appreciate everything you've done. So as always, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and comment. We're gonna do more of these rig walkarounds. Brent was just kind enough to help us out with this first one, and it's an amazing truck. So we're really looking forward to that. You guys want to see more of this kind of content, like all of our other builds, stay with us. We're gonna keep on pumping this stuff out. Until next time, take care and have a good day.